This is Apple AirPods Max review. Though divisive, the design is another Apple win. With large, flat ear cups that are crafted from chunks of stainless steel, the AirPods Max are unmistakably Apple, focusing on simplicity and functionality. The AirPods Max feel premium, though that stainless steel build makes them rather heavy. Apple has included a mesh headband that's designed to reduce pressure on your head while using them, but that won't change their density. You can easily adjust the volume with the digital crown, similar to the Apple Watches. One rather large drawback is the lack of a 3.5mm audio port. If you want to listen to music with a wired connection or hook up the AirPods Max to a DAC or amplifier, you'll have to buy a USB-C to 3.5mm audio port adapter. This seems pretty ridiculous when you consider the price, and if Apple wants to market these as premium headphones, the fact that they can't be connected to an amp right out of the box is a bummer. As a result, we've decided that the AirPods Max are designed specifically for Apple users, people who already have an iPhone, use Siri a lot, and perhaps already own a pair of AirPods. Users of Apple devices have many benefits that Android users do not get, including immersive spatial audio, automatic switching between iOS devices, one-tap setup, hands-free Siri, and audio sharing. Designed from stainless steel with large flat ear cups, the Apple AirPods Max are made in one of the brighter color options like silver, sky blue, green, and pink. The Apple AirPods Max are $549, £549, $899 and will be released on December 15, 2020. The ear cups are made of stainless steel, meaning that the AirPods Max weigh in at 385 grams. That added weight makes the AirPods Max feel sturdy, but it's a lot of weight to be wearing all day. To offset that added weight, the Apple AirPods Max come with a knitted mesh headband designed to reduce on head pressure. The Apple AirPods Max weigh in at 385 grams thanks to the stainless steel ear cups. That additional weight gives the AirPods Max a sense of strength, but it's too much to wear all day. To offset that added weight, the Apple AirPods Max come with a knitted mesh headband designed to reduce on head pressure. To adjust the volume, just turn the dial on top of the right ear cup, or press once to play or pause music, once to answer and end phone calls, twice to skip to the next song, and 3 times to go back. This case wouldn't be so bad if it did what it's supposed to do, protect your headphones. Instead, it leaves the headband of the AirPods Max completely exposed, and although an opening at the bottom lets you charge the headphones without taking them out, it leaves them exposed to debris. Smudges and scrapes love the rubberized surface, and just putting it in a bag will ruin the pristine look it is straight out of the box. Apple's AirPods Max deliver impressive audio quality. They have an expansive, well-balanced soundstage that lets each instrument shine. Combine that with extras like auto pause and spatial audio, and you've got yourself a very special pair of headphones. There are 10 audio cores in each ear cup of the AirPods Max, which allows for active noise cancellation, spatial audio, adaptive EQ, and transparency. The Apple AirPods Max have pretty good noise cancellation, and we'd compare them to the Sony WH-1000XM4 and the Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700. Apple says the AirPods Max have 20 hours of high-fidelity audio, 20 hours of talk time, and 20 hours of movie playback. Considering this is with active noise cancellation on, that's pretty impressive. Generally, the best over-ear headphones will have a battery life of about 30 hours. The Bluetooth 5 connection means pairing is fast and stable, and you won't lose your connection as you move away from your source device. Basically any Apple device can stream audio to AirPods, even Apple TV 4K or the iPod Touch, so you and a friend can listen to the same music simultaneously. The AirPods Max are limited to iOS devices, so many of the things that make them stand out won't be available for Android users.